Wow, you guys scare easy. It's good thing already. Ate a bird and scare for breakfast, or you'd both be in my belly. Haha, that's funny. Who say I am joking? You're not? No, I am joking. I haven't had a breakfast yet. Hi, name's Red. Hello, name's Red. I am Red, and you are? I am Bird. I am not a bird. He's a bird. His name is Bird. My name's is Squirrel. Squirrel. Bye. See you later. My tree. Oh, how I've missed you. I'll never leave you again. Don't touch anything. Cool. You have a choice? No touching. You didn't tell me you played guitar. Bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel. Two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. Why don't you go get us some water from the river?